Zhongtuo PLC-controlled high-speed Struct channel roll forming machine with rotary punching, a breakthrough in automation and efficiency. Recently installed in the United States, this advanced system won high praise from our client for its smooth installation, fast setup, and intelligent control system. Designed with flexibility in mind, this machine allows multi-size channel adjustment in seconds through PLC programming. No manual recalibration needed. The machine can reach speeds of up to 70 meters per minute, including punching operations, thanks to the rotary punching technology, a game changer for factories that require both speed and precision. Whether you're producing light steel framing, electrical supports, or customized steel profiles, Zhongtuo offers both economic models and fully automated lines to fit different budgets and capacities. Trusted by clients in over 150 countries, Zhongtuo roll forming machinery is a professional manufacturer of large and medium-sized machinery, which can provide best quality machine, good technical support, and perfect after-sales service. Contact us today for a live demo, technical consultation, or pricing details.